majestic, intelligent, and deeply social. Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth. From the savannas of Africa to the forests of Asia, these gentle giants play a crucial role in shaping entire ecosystems. Today, we're going to explore their incredible habitats, their complex behavior, and the fascinating ways they interact with the world around them. Get ready to meet the giants of land and memory. There are two main species of elephant recognized by most scientists: the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants roam across the vast landscapes of sub-Saharan Africa. From open savannas and dense forests to surprisingly arid deserts, Asian elephants are found in the forests, grasslands, and river valleys of India, Sri Lanka, and throughout Southeast Asia. No matter where they live, all elephants require huge territories with reliable access to water, plenty of food, and safe corridors to migrate between feeding grounds. Their survival depends on having the space to roam. When you see them side by side, the differences are quite clear. African elephants are the larger of the two, with some males weighing up to a staggering 6 tons. Their most distinctive feature is their enormous ears, which aren't just for hearing. They act like giant radiators, flapping to cool their bodies under the hot sun. Both male and female African elephants typically grow prominent tusks. Asian elephants are slightly smaller, with smaller, more rounded ears. In their species, tusks are usually only found on the males. But the one feature all elephants share is their incredible trunk. This amazing appendage is a fusion of the nose and upper lip, and it's one of the most versatile tools in the animal kingdom. They use it for drinking, feeding, communicating, and even for tender social interactions like greeting and comforting each other. As you might imagine, these massive animals need a lot of fuel. Elephants are herbivores, with a diet that includes grasses, leaves, bark, fruits, and roots. An adult elephant can eat between 150 and 300 kilograms of vegetation every single day. That's a huge amount. And this constant feeding has a profound impact on the landscape. As they eat, they disperse seeds over long distances, create pathways through dense vegetation for smaller animals, and help maintain open habitats like grasslands, which supports countless other species. They are true ecosystem engineers. Beyond their physical presence, elephants have an incredibly rich and complex social life. They live in tight-knit matriarchal herds, led by the oldest and most experienced female. These herds are made up of mothers, daughters, sisters, and their calves, and these family bonds can last a lifetime. Male elephants, once they reach maturity, usually leave their birth herd. They might roam alone or form temporary bachelor groups with other males. Communication within these groups is sophisticated. They use a wide range of vocalizations, including rumbles too low for human ears to hear, known as imp. They also communicate through body language, chemical signals, and constant, gentle touch. This all points to a remarkable level of intelligence, empathy, and memory. The life cycle of an elephant is a slow and deliberate process. After a pregnancy of 22 months, the longest of any land, Mammellifema gives birth to a single calf. At birth, a baby elephant already weighs around 120 kilograms. From the moment it's born, the calf is a cherished member of the herd, protected and nurtured by its mother and all the other females, who act as alumhes or aunts. This group effort is crucial for teaching the calf essential survival skills. Elephants can live for 60 to 70 years, and over this long lifespan, the social bonds they form are vital for passing down knowledge, like where to find water during a drought, from one generation to the next. Elephants are constantly on the move, migrating seasonally in search of fresh food and water. These ancient migratory routes, passed down through generations, are etched into their famous memory. Their movements have a massive influence on the environment. They dig for water in dry riverbeds, creating water holes that other animals can use. Their dung fertilizes the soil and disperses seeds. When large herds move through dense forests, they can thin out the vegetation, creating clearings and grasslands that benefit a whole host of other wildlife. It's impossible to talk about elephants without mentioning their incredible intelligence. They are among the smartest animals on the planet, capable of complex problem-solving, learning, and even tool use. For example, they've been observed using branches to swat flies or modifying sticks to scratch themselves. But perhaps most profoundly, they show deep emotions. They exhibit behaviors that look a lot like mourning for their dead. They engage in playful activities, and they pass knowledge down through what can only be described as a form of culture. It's a powerful reminder that complex intelligence in the animal kingdom extends far beyond humans. Given their immense size, adult elephants have very few natural predators. A healthy adult is more than a match for any carnivore. However, Calves are vulnerable and can fall prey to predators like lions, tigers, and crocodiles. But the single greatest threat to elephants is, without a doubt, humans. For centuries, poaching for their ivory tusks has decimated populations. At the same time, their habitats are shrinking due to agriculture, infrastructure development, and deforestation. This leads to increased human-elephant conflict, where elephants and local communities compete for land and resources. On top of all this, climate change is altering their environments, making it even harder for them to find food and water. The importance of elephants to their ecosystems cannot be overstated. They are what's known as a keystone species, meaning their presence fundamentally supports the entire structure of their environment. Their grazing habits prevent grasslands from turning into land. Their role in seed dispersal helps regenerate forests. Their creation of waterholes provides life for countless other animals during dry seasons. From clearing forests to enriching the soil, elephants are essential for maintaining the health and balance of their natural world. Without them, entire ecosystems would change for the worse. Thankfully, there's a global effort underway to protect these magnificent animals. Conservation initiatives include strengthening anti-poaching patrols on the ground, and powerful symbols of the wildness and beauty of our natural world. Protecting them isn't just about saving one species. It's about ensuring the survival of the vast ecosystems and countless other species that depend on their presence. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of elephants, make sure to follow for more amazing stories from the wild.